In this video, we will see arbitrary argument in Python. So let's check this out. What is it? So when the number of parameter are unknown or we are not sure number of parameter, what will be the number of parameter, and it can be anything, that it can be 0 and it can be 1. So there are variable number of parameter in function. In this case, we use arbitrary argument. Like if a user want to pass 10, 10 argument and want to pass 11 argument, it depends upon user's choice. So in this case, we use arbitrary argument. Like our built-in function support arbitrary argument, because we can just print a, or we can print two values as well, b, and we can also print three values. So as you can see, so it is able to print all the values. How many it doesn't depend on, it is not fixed that we have to pass only 4 argument or 5 argument. It will print all the argument. That's why we use arbitrary argument. So how we can use it? So for this, we use a asterisk symbol to define that this is the arbitrary argument. So let's define that this is my function, and what I want to do, that whatever it is passing, whatever it is passing, so I assign to this value. So I name this. Then it is passing name, a number of name, argument associated with name is unknown. It is arbitrary. It can be 0, it can be infinite as well. So here you can see name, then what it will print, it will print it will concatenate all the names. So for this, for I in name, because now it is group of, it will be a group of thing, group of names, or a group of user defined values or argument. So for I in name, just print my string is st. First it is empty. Now here st plus is equal to I. Now print here st. Now let's see this. Now call this function. I can pass one argument Rahul, then then I can pass Singh. Say now you can see it is concatenating Rahul Singh. Now I can pass three values as well, A, then B, then C, then I am passing fourth value as well, 4. Then let's see this. So this is ABCR. So all the values has been assigned to this. Let's check the value of what will be the type of name. So just print what is the type of name. So print type of name. Now it is saying that this is tuple. So when defining a name, arbitrary argument, it will store the values, all the values to, it will store the values to tuple. So this is how the arbitrary argument work. So can we use arbitrary argument and positional argument, uh, arbitrary argument and positional argument together? So let's check defining a function gx, and my age 5, age age is not defining this, a and b, then c is 5, then whatever you value you pass will be a arbitrary argument, and this is name. Actually, whenever it is in traditional way, these are, we define arbitrary argument as arg in most of cases, because Python programmer did that, so we also follow the tradition. So so what have to do? Print let's say a plus b plus c. Let's say a comma b comma c are abc, are a b a b and c, and for I in args args print I. So so it has executed, so we can use uh, arbitrary argument as well. So now call the function gx, I am 5 and 2. So this is a b c are 5 to 5, and argument, it is not printing anything because we didn't pass fourth value, or third value I passed that of 6. So first it will 5 assigned to A, 2 assigned to B, 6 assigned to C. We have to pass, it is compulsory, we have to pass these. But it is not compulsory that we have to pass the value of arg or not. It will be 0, it can be 5, it can be 10 as well. So here you can see this is ABCR to 5 to 6. Now again call GX 1 comma 1 11 1 1, and pass many values. So I passed these kind of values. Now let's see what happened. Now it is saying A, B, C are 11 1 1. Then these are arcs, printing each arcs. So this is how arcs works. But you have to remember one thing, that here non-default argument, and this is default argument. First we will pass non-default argument, then define default argument, then define arbitrary argument, and after this we define keyword argument. We will see what is keyword argument in next video. So thanks for watching this video.